now, believe it or not, we got Rick on screen, and he wants to say his greeting to all of you. He's a technophobe. He's afraid of this technology, but we have him here to greet everyone. He's our Director of Dignifunding, Rick Slaven.
Hello, everyone. I'm glad that you all arrived, and I hope I'm doing okay at the moment. Can you hear me, Linda?
Yes, you're fine. You're fine, Rick. Keep talking.
So you can tell I really like high tech. I spend my time looking at stamps, of course, and they don't have a malfunction. So I just wanted to thank all of you for all your past donations. It's really been incredible. We've been in this organization for so long, and it's wonderful that you've supported us. And I just want you to think about now. Previously we had to put on a conference in New York City, and I had various expenses because it was in New York City and at Columbia University. And now we're doing the Zoom, of course, conference, and that has cost us a few, I would say about $2,500 in technology charges. And so if it's possible, if you're able to help us with some of those charges, costs, I should say, it would be wonderful. And if you also, anything that we get that's beyond our overhead, we give to Evelyn as well to support her. So if you can donate some money to us, to HDHS, not to me personally or Linda, the Human Dignity, it would be really, really wonderful, and we hope you'll consider that.
And Rick, I think you told me that if we cover the cost of this workshop, that you will cut off your beard and cut your hair, shave your beard and cut your hair. Is that right?
I guess I should make sure people understand that I haven't had a haircut probably for 6 months at least or more, and I do shave periodically, but I thought maybe I would wait shaving until we had this conference and we see how many donations we get. So it would be nice, but I will cut my hair, or at least Linda will cut my hair, but I won't let her shave me. I will shave myself. So thank you, dear.
All right, Rick, thank you for being with us. Thank Rick because he takes care of our taxes. If anybody wants to see our taxes, you can see them. There's nothing on them, but he takes care of our taxes both federally and locally.
Yeah, I guess that's another thing that it seems to be interesting, but I have to file forms with both the state of Oregon and with the federal government, and both those cost money. When you file forms, they always want you to send some money to them as well. And so so that's another expense that we have, an annual expense that we have, both those filings.
Okay, thank you, Rick. Give a round of applause. Congratulations to making it into the Zoom world.
Thank you. So, Linda, are you going to explain how people will be able to donate?
You behind the scenes, I'm putting up the link so people can donate through PayPal if they want to help support the work of the Human Dignity Humiliation Studies Network. So thank you, Rick, for being with us and daring to be on Zoom. Give him a round of applause, everyone.
Yeah, it's so much fun. I really, really love technology a lot. Love it.
Yes.
But I love you.
I love you.
All right now.
Well, quick, I was a technophobe until Zoom.
Good testimonial. So everyone, we're really excited. We're going to get started on our first Dignilog this morning. And I'm going to be setting that up. And while I'm setting it up, I'm going to invite all of you to remember to turn off your cameras right now because we want to protect that very fragile connection.